Hello, my name is Boyd McMakin. I'm with PPL Motorhomes in Houston, Texas. And today we're going to be talking with Jeff Hostetler. Jeff is a representative for King Controls, and they actually make the VuQube portable satellite antennas. And what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about the differences between the three portable satellite antennas that they have and some of the accessories that come with them. I know here in our parts store sometimes we have customers asking, why should I get a 1000, why should I get a VuQube 2000 or a 3000, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to start with the 1000, Jeff. Tell us a little bit about it.
The 1000 is our basic system. It's more of a manual setup system where you can place it anywhere in an unobstructed area to the satellite itself. You can program in the wireless remote up to 2 satellite locations, and then also program your elevation depending on what part of the country you're located in. It's manually has to be leveled and manually has to switch between the multiple satellites.
And find the satellite.
And find
so
satellite.
It's basically, it's all manual at this point for the VuQube 1000. The only thing that it doesn't come with is the receiver and the TV.
Correct.
So if you have both of those, you can get satellite TV with it. It's more of a tailgating type of thing or a cottage type of thing. Sure. Once you move from the VuQube 1000 and you want to get away from having to find the satellite manually, you're going to move up into the 2000 and 3000. The 2000 and 3000 both automatically find the satellite that you're on, and then the 3000 itself you can actually use going down the road. It's an in-motion satellite. So tell us a little bit about the differences between these two and what comes with them, Jeff.
Again, as you said, the differences would be the in-motion tracking, so you can watch satellite television as you're going down the road. The contents in the kit are basically the same. You do get the harness for powering up to the 110 converter that's packaged with the unit, and also to your remote control to turn the satellite on and off.
Right, so you've got the data cable and one coaxial cable for one receiver,
right,
or one TV. And then you've got a 110 power supply and the control to actually operate the satellite. So once you have everything hooked up and you program it for the first time, whether it be Dish Network or DIRECTV, from that point on, it's just a matter of press of the button and this one will find the satellite.
Correct.
And this one will do the same thing, but you're able to actually drive going down the road once you find the satellite.
Sure.
So these are both 2 TV or 2 receiver satellites. You can actually watch 2 different channels as long as you have 2 receivers. This kit only comes with one RG6 cable. If you wanted to watch or have another receiver, you'd have to add another cable to these kits. Now, another accessory that they have is the ladder mount kit. There's 2 different types, and we've got one of them here. Basically, this is the ladder mount kit itself, and it attaches to your ladder and the satellite sits on it, locks into place with a padlock. You can buy this separately or in what's called a flex install kit, and the flex install kit is more for a permanent installation. Tell us a little bit about that and what comes in that flex install kit.
Yeah, for permanent installation, you get the ladder mount for your satellite as well as necessary hardware and cabling for a second receiver, so that you can watch 2 different televisions and have 2 different programmings going at the same time.
Right, at the same time. So it comes with the data cable and the wiring, power wiring for the satellite. It also comes with 2 coaxial cables that run from the unit to the front and back receivers, and that'll be a permanent installation.
Correct.
So what happens with the ladder mount if you pull into a park and you're obstructed by trees or whatever else?
Quick release. Just remove the padlock or bolt that you're using to secure it into place, and you can then move the satellite off of the ladder attachment and move it to a remote location away from that obstruction. And then you'll have the cabling that comes with the satellite
Originally.
that would allow you then to run from the satellite into your receiver.
So we basically have the whole lineup covered here. We've got the VuQube 1000, which is one TV at a time, and it's a manually operated system. We move into the 2000, which finds the satellite automatically, and then we move into the 3000, which also finds it automatically, but is able to be in motion going down the road. And both the 2000 and 3000 are capable of picking up 2 TV stations at the same time.
Switching back and forth.
Back and forth, right. So basically, we've got everything covered here. one other thing I'd like to mention, all of these are standard definition. The 2000 and 3000 are high definition for Dish Network. At this point, there's no high definition for DIRECTV as far as dome satellites are concerned.
That is correct.
Well, I appreciate you coming in and showing us the line, Jeff. Thanks.
Thank you.